My name is Sharon, and I'm a patient of Dr. Patel's and PA Cato Rodriguez here at Cape Fear Eye Associates. I've been a patient here at Cape Fear Eye Associates for a number of years. And about 5 years ago, I started having extremely dry eye and was diagnosed with meibomian gland dysfunction. Because of that, I was being seen every 6 months. However, in September of 2023, it was time for my full exam where they do the retinal imaging, which did cost a little bit more, but I did not mind. I especially didn't mind because they found a spot on the back of my retina. PA Cato Rodriguez and Dr. Patel wasn't quite sure what it was, so they immediately sent me to Duke. Duke got me in the next morning at 9 a.m., and after a lot of testing, I was diagnosed with a rare cancer called ocular melanoma. If it weren't for the fast and quick action of Dr. Patel and PA Cato Rodriguez, I would have likely lost all my vision, quite possibly my eye, and maybe even my life, because it may have already spread by the time that I got treatment. Prior to the radiation treatment for the tumor in my eye, I had a pre-existing cataract. It was very small though and didn't affect my vision. Unfortunately, the radiation treatment made the cataract grow very quickly. My pre-surgery vision was 2300. I couldn't see much at all out of that eye. It was shapes and shadows. And I had a bet with Dr. Patel, and he asked me where I wanted to be. And I told him I would be happy if I was 2100 and correctable. And he said, well, I think we can get you a little bit better than that. He got me to 2030 in that eye. And I had never been more happy in my life. A lot had went on with the eye, not just the radiation treatment, but lots of surgeries and injections. So I was really, really nervous about having cataract surgery, but it was a breeze. And the next morning, I remember waking up and going to my kitchen, and everything was so much brighter and more colorful. In fact, I tell everyone, if you're waiting to get cataract surgery, don't. But I'm really also happy that I could have my cataract surgery here in town. I didn't have to drive all the way to Duke and then turn around and have someone drive me the very next morning for a checkup. I could literally just come across town and have that done. So I'm very happy about that. Because of the team here at Cape Fear Eye Associates, my quality of life has certainly improved. Prior to my cataract surgery, I could not drive at night. I feel comfortable driving at night now. I couldn't go see a 3D movie. I can see a 3D movie now. In fact, spending money on movies in a theater felt like a waste because I wasn't getting a true experience, whether it was 3D or 2D. I now have a full experience, so I'm just able to enjoy my life more. I'm so thankful for the staff here at Cape Fear Eye Associates, and you should be too.